Hi, this video will be dedicated to stretching, warming up and warming down. So it's not going to be any fast-paced activity today. These are regular trainings which warming up I do before I start using the bands. And I hope you enjoy it. Okay, let's get started. So it's about a 10-minute training session. What I normally start with is just a light bend down to touch your toes. Go as far as you can, first time. Just slowly move down. Breathe in and out as you go down. Normally about 5 seconds, and then back up. And then back down again. Each time you want to try to go a little bit lower, which you normally can. Then back up. Then third time down, grab your ankle and help you pull down a little bit more. Okay. Back up. Open your feet as wide as comfortably you can. Preferably don't wear socks so don't slide off on both sides. And we're pushing the hip forward, which will give you a nice stretch on the thigh. And at the same time, cup your fingers and we'll push forward. And go up. Left. Right. Forward. Up. Left. Right. Forward. Up. Left. Each time try to go a little bit further and remember to breathe. Forward. Hands behind your back, cup it together, and we're pushing out straight, okay? And we want to try to push up as far as possible. You're going to do some variations. You can twist at the same time. Okay. I like to stay down. You can go up if you like, if you're not feeling comfortable, or you can go wider even more. Okay. And then what I do is my neck at the same time. Right hand out, left hand over your neck, and we're pulling our head sideways, so we want to resist and push our head towards our arm. Same, left arm, right hand over and push. Okay, and then what I like to do is turn head to the left, and then left arm, we're pushing the neck backwards. Use the right hand to support and just twist. So don't go too extreme. The main aim is to just support and twist the neck. Okay? Same this hand. Okay, and get back up, twist up, a bit of jump, 5 times. Okay, and then right arm straight, bring it across, left hand and we're pushing the right hand outwards. Okay, but our left hand is actually blocking it. Same, other hand, left hand straight, you. Okay, and then I'll go down lower. We're going to lift our right hand up and then bend all the way to the back, and we use our left hand to support and also pull our elbow backwards into the left, so that our right hand is reaching down as far as we can. Okay. Same with the left hand. A nice stretch there. Okay, that should be enough for the upper body, and then we go down to our lower body on our knees and our arms, and we want to arch upwards, back up, arch back down, arch up, back down, arch up, back down. And then we want to go into a cobra. And then back up. And once then we come back down and sit on the back of the feet. Okay, come up. Also hand back. If you can't see here, back, and to give our quads a stretch. You can also lift up like a glute. One, two, three. Okay. Then you can get on our back. Okay. Lift your feet up, bend it down, hands up towards the side, and then you drop it slowly. Controlled drop. And if you're not warmed up, often not, you'll get a crack on the back as well. Up. Back up. Feet in front. Just do a regular glute. Push up. Push. Some people like to do reverse. You bend up. This could be tricky. Okay. sit down, feet together, close to the body, and then we're using the elbows to push the knees down to stretch the thigh. You'll see that crack. Push it down like once, and you can release back, and then do it 3 times. Each time try to go down a little bit lower. And then we do this. Grab on the hands, hold it, same, but we're pushing outwards. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then just cross your legs briefly. All I do is wrist, clasp, keep the elbows together. As you use a lot of computers now or your phone, the wrist, do clockwise and counterclockwise movements are quite neglected. Okay, and since we're sitting down already, we're going to do a twist, right hand over pivot and knee, and we're pulling back. Same other side. Okay, last one, do right foot forward, left leg bent, then we're going towards the bent side. We're going to go down. And put your full body weight onto the thigh. Same, other side. Okay, we jump back up. 2 more. Skip a kick out. Go ahead and go up, grab the ankles. We're going to go for quad. Keep your body straight and thigh forward. And your leg push back until you get a nice stretch in the thigh. Okay, left leg, other side. Grab hold of something to help you with balance. Well, we want to also practice balance. It's a good excuse. Okay, also grab a pole, grab a wall, and we want to work. Okay, this feels good. Oh, okay. Jump it off, and then that is a good work, a warm up or a cool down. It's a 14 minutes. You can shorten for certain sections, you don't have to do the full lot, but 10 to 15 minutes is a good warm up period. And now I'm warm up, I can get into any of the workouts that I've previously been going through. So the key is, don't forget to work out today, okay? Thanks for joining me, and smash the subscribe button, join the social media. Thanks.